Why do I ride?
Why do I ride?
Man, that's hard. That goes way back.
Honestly, I like to ride because it puts a smile on people's face.
It's my freedom, it's my fix. Really, it's the endless pursuit of trying to find that flow.
Well, the first reason I ended up being pretty good at it.
Well, number one, it's just a ton of fun.
Something with the two wheels and trying to master all those controls and the feel of the track and find those lines. That's what riding a motorcycle does for me.
You know, at this age, I still can't get enough.
I grew up riding when I was a little kid with my dad, and it may be a job now, but you always resort to it being a passion.
It's been in my family for many, many years, and I'm actually learning to love it a lot more now that I see it for what it is instead of just being in it for the competition part of it.
I love being out in the community, trying to promote what I do and get people into the sport of motocross. I think it creates good people, and honestly just love the adrenaline rush and having a good time riding with my friends.
I just enjoy, I'll just say, the whole vibe that kind of circles around Yamaha. It's where I feel like home is for me.
It's been that family environment and feel, and they deliver the product that allows us to go win. So I love it.
Being a part of the Yamaha family is truly special. I mean, got to spend the day with a bunch of amazing athletes, getting to ride dirt bikes, and I mean, you can't get much better than that.